Hey everyone, welcome back to our home automation channel. Today we're going to show you how to reset your Nest thermostat. Whether you're moving out or just need a fresh start, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. When you reset your Nest thermostat, you can erase specific settings, such as your temperature schedules, Wi-Fi information, and any other personalized configurations you have set up. Alternatively, you can choose to erase all information, returning the device to its factory defaults, just like it was when you first took it out of the box. This is particularly useful if you're moving to a new place and want to start fresh with your home automation setup. Additionally, resetting your thermostat is a good idea if you want to clear all your personal data before handing over the device to someone else, ensuring your privacy and security are maintained. Before we start, make sure to note down your wiring setup and other important settings. This will make reconfiguring your thermostat much easier later. On your thermostat, go to Settings, then Equipment to record your wiring details. Now, let's go through the reset process for different Nest thermostat models. For the Nest Thermostat E or Nest Learning Thermostat, here's what to do. Go to Settings, select Reset. Choose from these options. Schedule clears your current temperature schedule. This means any custom temperature settings you've programmed will be erased and the thermostat will revert to its default schedule. It's useful if you want to start fresh or if your schedule has changed significantly. Home Away resets learned data about your presence. The thermostat uses this data to automatically adjust temperatures when you're home or away. Resetting it can help if the thermostat isn't accurately detecting your presence or if your routine has changed. Account Connection removes your account. This is necessary if you're giving the thermostat to someone else or if you're setting up a new account. Network deletes Wi-Fi information. This is useful if you're changing your Wi-Fi network or troubleshooting connectivity issues. All Settings resets everything to factory defaults. This option is the most comprehensive reset, erasing all your settings, schedules, and preferences. It's like starting with a brand new thermostat. If you choose all settings, you'll need to set up your thermostat again using the Nest app, just like you did when you first installed it. This includes connecting to Wi-Fi, setting your temperature preferences, and configuring any other settings to suit your needs. After resetting, open the Nest app and follow the instructions to reconnect your thermostat to your home. And that's it. Resetting your Nest thermostat is quick and simple. We hope this step-by-step guide made the process easier for you. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more home automation tips and tricks. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. See you next time. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content.